Hey guys, I'm Katie here at ScreenScape, and today I'm going to tell you about important terminology to know when using our app. First word that we're going to talk about is media. So it's the very first tab here, and this refers to every design that you create or add to the app. Whether it's a holiday greeting, an emergency announcement, hours of operation, or an advertisement, it's referred to under the umbrella of media. The second word is right next to media, which is convenient, and that's playlists. So it's exactly what you're probably thinking. It's a collection of media that you put together and plays together on your screen. And the third one that's really important to know is hardware. You can see your hardware that is assigned to your account by clicking on this monitor icon here. And what hardware is the physical device that we sent to you that you plug into your TV, and you assign a playlist to each piece of hardware. So just to recap really quickly, media refers to your designs. Playlist refers to the pieces of media that you clump together that you want to play in order. And hardware refers to the physical device that we send to you that you plug into your TV screen. To learn how to make media, check out the first video that I uploaded, and stay tuned for the next one, which will cover how to make and customize playlists.